My name is Venus, and today I am going to show you a project on natural disasters, how to prevent natural disasters. Now, this is the project I have made. This is the building, multi-story building actually, and this is the satellite. It is an artificial satellite which is used to detect the earthquake. I'm talking about earthquake in this project. I have used light foam sheet to make it, and you can see these are LEDs. This is a wood piece which I have placed to support the light foam sheet, and the house, the multi-story building, is that of the thermocol. This is the door and these are the stories. This is the alarm. When any earthquake comes closer, the alarm begins to run. And these are the LEDs. When any earthquake comes closer, they also light up. These are switches. These are grass plants, and you can get them easily from any stationery or electric shop. This is a wooden piece that I have placed on the four sides to support it. This is a sari box. The box in which a sari is kept, that is the box. And now I'll show you the working of this model. See. You have to take care of to attach the opposite sides. Now, if you will see, there are two buttons. Actually, in the real time it is automatic, but I have made an artificial, so it is not automatic. When this satellite recovers any earthquake coming closer, the LED and the bell and the alarm starts up. Then the earthquake comes, and see what I have placed inside it. See, this is a motor and these are all wires, and see, I have to show that this cell is used to light up the LEDs, these LEDs, and this cell is used to ring the alarm. Now, I suppose you would have enjoyed, and I suppose you will use it in the future. Thank you.